Hey guys, what's up? Today we have decided to take our lunch outside and we have found the Wings Express along Marcos Alvarez. Kakabukas lang ng branch na to and na-curious ako kung panalo ba yung chicken dito. Ready na kami for lunch and pagpasok pa lang namin ay inasikaso na agad kami ni nanay. For only 289 pesos, only rice, and matitikman mo na lahat ng 18 flavored chickens, mag-add ka lang ng 30 pesos for bottomless iced tea. Our order arrived. Honey mustard, garlic parmesan, spicy teriyaki, honey butter, lemon glaze, and honey garlic. Grabe, it looks good and hindi tinipid sa sauce. The chicken itself ay masarap na. Then inad pa yung mga flavors kaya panalo talaga. The spicy teriyaki is good. And nag-stand out din sa akin yung honey garlic. Naka-order ata ako ng 3 times, bali 9 pieces. The refilled iced tea has arrived. The second order has arrived too. Chili cheese, salted egg, cheesy cheese barbecue, garlic butter, and spicy barbecue. Salted egg and chili